The TDK B84742A two-line DIN rail filters are designed for easy installation with high-performance noise filtering for DC systems. The filters feature a compact design with a safe-to-touch screw terminal and high insertion loss, allowing quick snap-in installation for one-phase or DC systems. They are rated for 250 volts AC DC at 50 Hz to 60 Hz, with a current range of 6 amps to 30 amps. They operate at a maximum temperature of 55 degrees Celsius and are able to withstand high voltage surges without breakdown. The two-line DIN rail filters are IP00 protected for use in clean environments and UL approved for safety and performance compliance. The TDK B84742A two-line DIN rail filters boast high quality and reliability and are ideal for use in power supplies, industrial electronics, telecommunications, data technology, and DC applications. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.